Yeah, so good morning everyone, good morning. So this is the place where we stopped in the last class. Let's go to the next problem. So, right, constructor we started. Constructor purpose is when you create a object, that time itself, right, this constructor will be called automatically. So initialization will be done. Remember when you are creating a object, that time itself, local variable, right? So if class having any variables, they will also be initialized. So I'm repeating once again, when you create any object, that time itself, that time itself, right, this constructor or initialization will be done, right, with the help of this init function. And one more thing is, when you are creating a object, that time itself, these local variables, right, see in the class whatever variables are there here, these variables, these are not part of any function, these are part of the class, they will also be initialized. If they don't initialize, what will you print here? ept.a1, what will you print? So at that time itself, class variables are already initialized. If you write in the right init function or through constructor, that will also be well and good. Otherwise, if you write in the form of variables of class, that is also okay. So I'm writing here so that we don't forget. Note while creating object, one, class variables will be initialized. Two, init function also executed. Automatically. While creating object automatically, right, automatically, class variables will be initialized. One more thing is init function also executed. Automatically these things will be done. Right? Fine. See, this is called constructor. For initialization purpose. While creating object, it will called automatically. I already written, but one more point. Class variables will be initialized. No, it's not. I didn't went back. I thought it is a summer cutting. So I done it. Right? Thanks for asking. Right? Thanks for asking. Just I done summer cutting. That's it. Yeah, thanks for asking. Yeah, can you go ahead once? So I think this problem, let me clarify once again. These are class variables. These will also be, right? Will be executed while creating object. These are class variables. Class variable will be executed or initialized. While creating object. Right? Perfect. About constructor we are talking, so we started the constructor. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Example. Let's go to next problem. Example. So take care this problem also. It's also a nice problem. Take care. Class student colon class student colon. Okay, fine. Go inside. Definition. So underscore 2 times. Init again underscore 2 times, self column, again inside, print while object id of self creating automatically creating automatically constructor will execute. This is the string. Fine. So that is a function, right? So just I written some statement there. Now let's go to main program. S1 is equal to student of S1 is equal to student of S2 is equal to student of. Okay, 2 times you called. Now see the output of this. It's very interesting. Can you see this? Can you see this one time? So this is the class. Okay, that's fine. It is a class, that is perfect. Inside the class, constructor is there. This is the constructor, that is also okay. Name is called init function, right? So what exactly it will bring? Let's check. See this one. When you call this, S1 is equal to student. One object is created. You know very well that time itself constructor will be executed. So go to the constructor. When you go to the constructor, so self means S1 only going. Here S1 only came. Print while object, right? So let me write now. First printf is while object, right? I think ID of self is in the 1000. While object 1000 creating automatically constructor will execute. While object 1000 automatically constructor will execute. It will print. Same way, second time, right? Let me write this second time. If you observe, while object 2000 creating automatically, constructor will execute. First time you created the object, 1000 at the 1000 object is created. Second time at the 2000 object is created. So that's it. Right? Fine. So remember, while creating object, that time itself constructor will execute. That is the purpose of this. I hope everyone is fine here. This problem also okay. Any small doubt, comment section, you can comment. So these are the things. OOPs concept we done these many problems. Almost it may be I think 10th problem maybe. Let's go few more. Next problem. Small doubt also there, you can comment in the comment section. Let's see. This is a very easy one, which you know very well. Class check definition same underscore init underscore go inside print. This is constructor. Okay, fine. Now main program I am writing object is equal to check afterwards print worked fine or worked fine. So when you see this, see the problem. Remember everyone, constructor also a function. Constructor also a function. The only thing, it is a special function. It is a function. It is a constructor, okay, it is a function. Special function. Special function. What is the speciality? It will execute while object creating. It will execute while object creating. It will execute while object creating. That is the only special. Otherwise, it is a function. It is a function. But remember, whenever it is a function, remember everyone, right? See, actual parameters are 0. Formal parameters should be 1. There should be a self. Here, self not there because of lack of self. Error will come. This place will gives error. No self is there. That is the reason error message will come. Here error will come. It is a function, right? So actual parameters are 0. Formal parameters are 0 plus 1. That one is self. It is not there. So error message will come. So be careful. Remember constructor also a function, but special function. I hope everyone is fine. Let's move to next problem. So this one, I think everyone done, right? I hope next problem will give more clarity. Do this problem also. Let's check. I'm starting. Say this. Class car column coincide def double underscore init double underscore. So right, one more thing is here self is there, model is there, color is there, column. So remember, 3 formal parameter means 2 actual parameter. Everyone know this. Inside this function, if you observe, there is a print. I am init. Okay, fine. Next one, self.model is equal to, if you want, you can give some other name. Self.model is equal to, so I'm trying this. Some other name you can keep, otherwise you may be confused. Self.m is equal to, so model. Okay. Self.c is equal to, these are local variables. Remember, m and c are local variables. Color. Okay, that's perfect. So in this, right, in the init function, only these are there. Now one more function is there. Let me go for one more function. There, def, but remember, it is a normal function. So self column, go inside. Then what is there? Print model is self.m. Print color is self.c. Okay, that's okay. Now show also complete. Let's go to show one. One more function. Def show one. See what you can learn from this problem. Check properly. What is new in this? In everything, I want to show something different. Print model is just wait. Here nothing special. I think show one. I can remove show one. I don't feel it is something important. I don't want to waste your time also. Just leave it. So until here. So until show, that's perfect. Now let's go to main program. I'm writing the main program. Show one also there, but I feel it is a wastage of time. There's nothing special. So I'm going to the main program. Let's go to main program. RD is equal to car of. So remember everyone remember RD is equal to car of. So it is a car is a class, right? But you have a init function also. See this one, init function. It is a constructor, right? It is having 3 parameters. You have to pass 2 parameters. So remember, while creating an object you are executing init function also. But init function having 3 parameters. So to 3 formal parameters. So you have to pass 2 actual parameters. So car, let me write RDA4. You can write whatever name you want, no objection. So color is blue. Right? Next one. Ferrari is equal to same. Car of Ferrari. I think some number. I don't know exactly what models are they. Green. So I given this 2 things I done. Okay, fine. So these two times I think 2 objects are created, and one more we are using constructor which require 3 parameter. One is self will go, 2 more extra. So 2 things I given. So in this problem the new thing is, while creating object you can pass parameter. Why constructor need it? So please be careful. So and one more thing is, whenever you creating the object, that time itself constructor will execute. So for the RD, this constructor will execute. For the Ferrari also, this constructor will execute. Please be careful. Whatever parameters you passed, they will be stored here. They will be stored here. Okay, fine. Now let me show here. So RD dot show. Next one, Ferrari dot show. You called both the right show functions for RD also and Ferrari also. Just go there. So show function. So what is the answer? RD dot show. It will come here. Self dot m, self dot c. So I think RD first model what you send is RD24. So RDA4 blue. So for this RDA4 blue will be printed. For this Ferrari 488 green will be printed. Okay, that's perfect. Let me know if anyone having any small doubt. And one more interesting thing is, whenever you called this one, init will execute. See, init will execute. So in the init one print there, see, in the init one print there, print init. Automatically initialization is done. When you call next time, again init called. In the init again, init will be printed. 2 times init will be printed, followed by show function 2 times. I think everyone got it. I don't think some people are having doubt. Let me know little doubt also there. Let me know. Anyone having any objection, please verify. Small doubt also there. Let me check. Everyone try. 2 times you created the object. And remember, while creating object, that time itself you have to pass parameters, because constructor need it. And while creating itself, constructor will execute. So you are passing parameter to constructor. Sometimes you don't pass because constructor don't want. Right? Perfect. So I feel people got it. So let me go to next problem. So if you are preparing for GATE 2026, let me say something about EPT. right? If you are preparing for GATE 2026, I want to say one very good news to you, right? So in the 2026 GATE, sorry, 2027, if you are preparing, right, I want to say one good news to you. In 2026, our students got very good ranks. See all of them. Our students got very good rank. You can see this. Our students got very good rank. I wish next year you will also be here. I wish next year you will also be here. I wish next year you will also be here. So please work hard. And most important thing I want to say to all of you, most important thing I want to say to all of you, right? Out of them, most of the students are, most of the students are first time itself they got good GATE rank. And most of the people are cracked GATE exam 6 months to 12 months. I want to say this is a very good news to all of you. Most of the people cracked the GATE examination first attempt itself. Most of the people cracked the GATE examination in 6 to 12 months. And some more people in that is third year BTech itself, they cracked. So what I mean to say is, third year BTech itself, they cracked the GATE examination. What I mean to say is, no need to do research. GATE examination means no need to do research. No need to go so deeper. Nothing required. Nothing required. Trust me. Trust me. Whatever we are saying, whatever EPT teachers are saying, please do that. Right? Going so deeper, doing the research, doing the PhD, it don't work out. It's not the way. It's not the way to crack any competitive exam. Right? Most of the students, whoever cracked, most of the EPT topper, whoever cracked GATE examination, first attempt itself they cracked. 6 to 12 months only. Some people are 5 months only. Some people are 6 months. Some people 7 months. Some people 8 months. Right? And I seen one more thing. Third year itself are cracking GATE examination. If third year itself people are cracking GATE examination, what you say? What is concept? What is research? What is all? So I am saying to all the people, no research, nothing required. No research, nothing required. Going concept so deeper, really trust me, it is not required. Whatever EPT teachers are saying, do that. You will get the nice rank. I'm saying to you, I am promising you also. Please, whatever EPT teachers are saying, just do that. Right? You are going to get very nice rank. No requirement of doing research, PhD, nothing required. Within 6 to 12 months, you will crack the GATE examination. Third year BTech people itself is cracking here. What you say about the research and all? What research third year BTech people can do? What research third year people can do? So for one of the university, right? One of the university we given the right GATE training, GATE classes training we given for one of the university. So they got very good ranks. See, they got very good ranks. So they called me and they done the felicitation. I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy for that. And one more, right? One more thing is, I want to always remember education institutes always should remember. Educational institutes always should remember. Always educational institutes should remember. Education is not for profit. You always remember all the educational institutions. I want to say so humbly, I want to say so responsibly. Education is not for profit. If you want to do profit and all, please start real estate company. Please do stock market. Please start stock market company. Please do something else. Education should be, right, not profitable. Please be careful. That is not the purpose of education. If you want to guide students, if you want to help the students, right, That is a place where education, right? Education institutes will come. I will take, it's my responsibility to help the student community as much as possible. Last year, for 200 students, we give in the gate classes almost free of cost. We just taken platform fees. Now this year, right? This year, 1,000 people we are giving free education, free gate classes and placement classes. 1,000 people we are giving free education. 1,000 people, right? 1,000 people we are giving free gate classes and placement classes. The only thing is you should be a class topper. If you are there in the top 5 of your college, you are eligible for this. Top 5 you should be there, right? And we should get the mail from your college management, either maybe principal or HOD, right? From college mail ID we should get the mail saying that so and so person got, right, top 5 in this semester or in this year or in this right branch. You have to say clearly. Just we will take platform fees 2,000 rupees. That's it. So it is a free of cost. To be frank, it is a free of cost. Only platform cost we are taking. You should be top 5. 1,000 students will get the chance. Last year we are given for 200 people. Now 1,000 people we are giving free of education. Free education we are giving. If you want to prepare for gate or placement, right, or PSU examination, right? So if you are there in the top 5 of the college, please, right, send the mail. This is the mail ID, info@exampreptool.com. I'm very happy to do this. ExamPrepTool.com. This is my ambition from long time. This is my ambition. By God grace I am doing. So next year, if at all, by seeing this feedback, last year 200 people I given, I got very good feedback. See, 200 people I given, many people got the top ranks. Many people got top ranks. Now this year we are giving 1,000 people free education. If it work out, who knows, next year I may give for 10,000 people. 10,000 people I may give free education next year. This year I am giving for 1,000 people. You should be in the class top 5. You should be in the class top 5. Remember, this is a mail ID, right? To this mail ID, right, there should be a mail from your college side. Okay, fine. There is 80% offer is going on. Please utilize. One batch is started 28th May. 80% discount going on. You can utilize EPT 610 EPT. One new batch started. COA is going on. COA subject is going on. One new batch is started. COA subject is going on. Please utilize this. The batch number 11. Batch number 11. Batch number 11. Right? I'm saying very clearly, 6 to 12 months are enough to crack GATE exam. First attempt itself, you can crack GATE exam. And if you selected for any interview, if you selected for any company interview, we will conduct a mock interview with experts. Please inform to us. This is our WhatsApp number. You please ping us. We are going to conduct mock interview for you so that you can crack the final interview. These are the EPT faculty. Myself, I am teaching from 18 years. Uma Mysore sir, 20 years. Dheeraj sir from 15 years. Abhinav sir from 3 years is All India rank 1. From 3 years onwards he is teaching. So Sachin sir, 10 plus years of experience, is IISc Bangalore person, 10 years of experience. Shilpa madam, she is IIT Kharagpur alumni. She is teaching from last 5 years. Nidhi madam, 5 years of experience. Deadlock sir, right, is a IIT Bombay alumni. And one more thing is he's working in the very big MNC, right? So he's a All India rank 150. He's All India rank 150, right? So he's also teaching his favorite subject. Shubham sir, All India rank 29. He's also teaching his favorite subject. Nidhi madam has 3 years of experience from IIT Kharagpur. She's working in one of the big MNC, right? So she's also teaching our favorite subject. That is the reason we are able to crack nice ranks. So EPT team is a collection of EPT team is a collection of experienced people plus rankers. That is the reason we are able to crack most of the ranks. Third year student itself, most of our students, third year BTech itself, they cracked the GATE exam. First attempt itself, they are cracking the GATE examination. 6 to 12 months, we are cracking the GATE examination. Please utilize this. C programming is free on YouTube, you can check. Python programming also free, you can check it. You can join the combo course where most of the things are available. Right, gate plus placement combo also you can go. Gate only regular you can go. Gate only foundation you can go, which is the 2 years. Test series you can go. Mentorship you can go. Gate plus PSUs also you can go. And one more thing is every Saturday, Sunday, there is a mentorship session. We are going to give targets. We are going to give guidance to you. So don't miss it. 6,000 verified questions are there in our website. You can utilize. 3,000 PYQs also there in our website. You can utilize. AR1 notes also, free doubt solving also available. Please utilize all of them. So EPT, all classes are in English only. Live and recording, both are available. Daily quizzes also there. Right, quick doubt solving also there. Get PYQs plus verified questions. Approximately 6,000 good questions, good practice questions are there. You can practice. One-to-one mentorship also there. Next one is right, and one more thing is strategy planning also there every weekend. So that EPT is not only for gate and placements. Most of our students cracked both gate and placements. Both they cracked. Most of my students cracked both gate and placements. These are the placement courses: DSA course, DSA plus system design, DSA Super 50, Super 300, Super 600. So these are whichever you want, you can join. Yeah, perfect. Let's go to next problem. I hope you got till now. Let's go to next problem. Next problem make you more clarity. It is very easy also. Let's check. Class check. Some name, whatever you name you want, you can write. Colon. Now def init function. Def init function. Yes, colon. Okay. Next go inside. Print address of self is equal to ID of S, which you know very well. That's okay. S dot A is equal to is a local variable 10. Next one, print S dot A. Next one, S dot B is equal to 100. Print S dot B, that is also okay. Right, now go to the main program. Object 1 is equal to check. Okay, print address of class object is equal to ID of object 1. Next, same thing I done object 2. Check once again. And one more thing is print address of class object ID of object 2. Okay, fine, perfect. So let's execute this. Let's execute. Most of the people knows what the answer of this. Everyone observe. First time when you create a object, I think init function will execute automatically. So what it will print? Address of self is equal to, I think first time when you do the first time when it will execute it, 1000 will be printed. Okay, followed by first time object na 1000, so followed by 10 will be printed, followed by 100 will be printed. Okay, that's fine. Next one, print address of class object 1. I think it is also the same way. Object 2, when you called second time, I think 2000 created, so I think 10 printed, 100 also printed. When you print this one, 2000 printed. It's a normal problem, nothing special. Nothing special. If anything new, please learn it. Yeah, let's go to next. Let's go to next. Yeah, this problem also please take care. This problem also take care. Class counter. Class counter. Class counter. Let me check one small thing. So remember everyone, in the class there is no bracket here. It's not a function, it is a class, right? So if anywhere I return, so I'm sorry, I'm just going back and I'm checking, am I written unknownly at anywhere? In the flow, am I written at anywhere? Let's check. Here also, yeah, I'm deleting this. Only for function brackets are there. For class, no brackets. Yeah, I think perfect now. Right now, I can move to next. I can move next. Right, so class counter. So go inside. DEF. I think init function. Init. I think self. Call. Go inside. Self dot counter is equal to 0. Print self dot counter. Okay, it's a counter. Please be careful. Count only. Count. I'm writing properly. Count. It is also count. Okay, till now. Okay. Next, one more function started. DEF. It's a normal function. Increment. Okay. And one more thing is increment of S. So minimum one parameter required. So go inside. S dot count is equal to S dot count. S dot count. So before that, let me write this also. S dot count plus is equal to 100. Okay. Print S dot count. Okay, that is also okay. Next one, let's go for one more function. Let's go for one more function. DEF. Increment, decrement. Go inside. S dot count is equal, count minus is equal to 90. Print S dot count. Okay, that is also okay. Next, I think one more function is there. Get count. Get count. DEF. Get count. Self. Return self dot count. Return self dot count. Okay, I think that is also fine. Now let's see the main program. So I may write the main program here itself. I'm writing. So this is the class. This is the class colon required. Let me write the main program also. Here itself I'm writing main program. Let me use another color also. So first one, counter is equal to counter. So bracket is there. So it's better to use, if you want, you can use some other name. Otherwise you may be confused. Count 1 is equal to counter. Okay, you've done this. Right now, counter, right? C1 dot increment function call. C1 dot decrement to increment function call again one more time, 2 times. Next one, C1 dot decrement function call 1 time. C1 dot decrement function call second time. Okay. Lastly print C1 dot get count. Right? So if you do this, what will happen? Let's check. Everyone know this. Let's see one by one. When you call first time, when you create a object, automatically init function will execute. Right? So self dot count is equal to 0. Okay. For this count 0, print this. I think the first time when you done this one, 0 will be printed because of this printer. Okay, that's fine. Now called C1 dot increment. So increment function is called. So S dot count previously 0 there, now it will become 100. So it became 100. That's okay. Finally print it. It will print 100. When you call C1 dot, same C1 increment function one more time, it will print 200. I think till now no one having any objection. Now C1 dot decrement function is called. So 90 will be deleted and print also. From the 290, if you remove 110, call the decrement function one more time. Then I think one more 90 will decrement, I think 20. Lastly, print to get dot count. Right? C1 dot get dot count. Get dot count means this function will be executed. So self dot count. So 20 again will be printed. So this is for C1. Maybe I think if I create once again C2, same story will happen. Right? So let me write C2 dot. C2 is equal to counter. Okay. Same way you can do the remaining from C2 dot increment. Again C2 dot increment. So when you done this first time, right? Again, right? Initialize, right? Init function will execute. Count will become 0 will print. Because of this 100 will print. Because of this 200 will be printed. Now next one, C2 dot decrement. Because of this 90 will decrement 110. C2 dot decrement. Because of this one more 90, so 20 will be printed. Lastly print to C2 dot get count. So it will print the 20 again. So like that. Same for one more object item. I hope people got it. Perfect. Right? These are the problems only. Let me know anyone having any objections. Sir, I have this doubt. Let me know. So many examples I given. Please verify one time. Any doubt? Small doubt also there, let me know. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Almost 15 problems I done. For the OOPs concept, 15 problems we done. Right? We'll do many problems also in the practice classes. We'll do many problems also. We'll do many problems also in the practice classes. Yeah. Thank you. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Little doubt also there, let me know. Yeah. Thank you. See you in the next class.